Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I will show you how to change screen lock type in your OnePlus Nord N30 SE phone. At first, go to your settings app. Now from here, scroll down. Then go to password and security. After that, tap on lock screen and password. Then draw your current pattern. Now from here, you can change your screen lock type. You can see in my phone current screen lock type is pattern. If you want to change it to pin, then just select numeric, then draw your old pattern, then type a new 6 digits pin, then enter your new password again to confirm it, and it's done. Now you can see in my phone screen lock type has been changed successfully. Now if I lock my device and then swipe for unlock, and you can see pin has been set successfully. And that is how you can change screen lock type in your OnePlus Nord N30 SE phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.